Honey Badger verse of the day today is about Enoch. Enoch prophesied the second coming of Christ. Enoch prophesied the coming judgment of the flood before Noah. And Enoch was a prophet, and he was taken out of the judgment of the flood. It says Enoch walked with God and then was no more, because God had taken him away. He walked uprightly before the Lord. And our verse today is Genesis 4:26. Seth also had a son named Enoch. At that time men began to call on the name of the Lord or proclaim the name of the Lord. And the word proclaim here is kerygma in the Greek, and it means the announcement of the gospel. Enoch proclaimed the coming judgment, but also the redemption of Christ. And Jude 14-15 says this: Enoch, seventh from Adam, prophesied about these men. See the Lord coming with thousands upon thousands of his holy ones, to judge everyone, convict the ungodly of all the ungodly acts they have done in ungodly ways, and all the harsh words ungodly sinners have spoken against him. And we see that Enoch, he was a prophet of righteousness, that he wasn't afraid to proclaim coming judgment. And Enoch also was of the line of Seth, which was a godly line. After Abel was killed, Seth's line became the godly line, and Enoch came out of that line. And we see that Enoch, having a heart for God, he was actually able to see the second coming of Christ before anyone else. And Enoch, he walked with God and was taken away. Even when there was judgment, God took him out of that judgment because he wasn't afraid to proclaim the truth. And are we willing to proclaim the way of the Lord? Are we willing to proclaim the gospel and preach the word in season, out of season, and with endurance like a honey badger? And I want to encourage us to walk with God. Allow his word to dwell in us, and allow his word to be proclaimed with power, authority, and not afraid to rebuke when we need to, and always in love.